Today we're going to talk about Halloween. What is Halloween? Halloween is a traditional celebration that began in Europe hundreds of years ago. At the time, some people believed that ghosts of dead people visited living people. Nowadays, it is a special day in several countries around the world, but it is perhaps most popular in Canada and the United States. It always falls on the same date every year, October 31st. Around this time, people like to tell scary stories and watch horror movies. In the evening on October 31st, children wear costumes. These are clothes that make them look like interesting animals, monsters, or people. They might be very funny or they might be quite scary. The costumes often include a face mask or some makeup painted on the person's face. For example, on Halloween, you might see a dinosaur or an elephant, a witch with a tall black hat, or maybe even a ghost. Children then go from house to house and ask for candy by saying trick or treat. Many older kids and adults also put on costumes and go to Halloween parties. Jack-o'-lanterns are very common during this time. A lot of people like to put them in their windows or just outside their doors. They are pumpkins with lights inside and faces cut into them. In Mexico, a similar traditional celebration is called the Day of the Dead. Family and friends come together for 3 days to pray for and remember people who have died. Most people, both young and old, have a lot of fun on Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone! Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon. Take care.